This is your morning jolt, and apologies in advance if I'm usually up here. I'm down here a little bit today in terms of energy. Just got back from covering Stifel's investor conference in Boston, and I'm running on no sleep. But I still have three things you need to know to get your market day started right and hopefully make a ton of money. First up is your hot trade of the day off the AT&T Time Warner decision that came across last night, and that's still blowing up the interwebs. Is Express Scripts. It's a PBM. What the court ruled yesterday on AT&T Time Warner probably sets the stage for Cigna acquiring Express Scripts. We talked to Cigna CEO a couple months ago. He was bullish on the deal getting done. You have to be more bullish on this deal getting done now. So cash out on all those trading profits in Netflix. Plow into Express Scripts. I know you probably know squat about the company, but the stock is probably going to catch fire off the decision. Either way. What else I got next? I'm reading off my notes because I'm on no sleep here. Your dose of inside information. I got a lot of notes. We were all day at the Stifel Investor Conference yesterday. TheStreet was the exclusive media partner. I've got a whole flood of more stuff coming. But interesting, what stood out to me, their head of their institutional business, Stifel's institutional business, Victor Nesi, phenomenal insight. Says private equity has trouble right now putting money to work. I mean, coming out of the first quarter, private equity was sitting on almost $640 billion in cash. Why are they having trouble putting it to work? A lot of these companies are just deciding to merge and create synergies that way instead of loading up their balance sheet and selling it to a private equity firm. Phenomenal insight by Victor. Got more coming from him. Private equity, I mean, times are tough when you're sitting on $640 billion. You can't put it to work. Lastly, what do we got? Around the horn. Elon Musk and Tesla sending pig slaves to about 9% of its workforce. Interestingly, he's doing this while he's trying to increase production of the Model 3, do all these other cars, autopilot, innovation, flamethrowers. It's weird. It's a weird time for Musk to be canning almost 10% of his workforce. I know these cuts are not tied to production people. That's good. But when you're a big thinker like Musk and you're trying to get all these big, bold ideas and generate cash and get cars out the door, you think you need more workers, no? I'm just saying. What do I know? One more thing. Let's see. We talked to Rockwell Automation CEO Blake Moret before he left the Stifel conference on Tuesday. I got a piece coming from him very, very soon. They're fresh off a $1 billion investment in a software company, PTC. He's very bullish on it. And I have to say, I'm kind of bullish on it too. And in case you missed it, I got to give a shout out to our super all-star head of video, Juliana Nuzzi. She was at the Stifel conference yesterday with me in the trenches. She listened to Ripple's CEO give a far-ranging speech on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. That piece is lighting up the charts for TheStreet. You need to check it out. It's up there right now. Really interesting insight. And lastly, not in case you missed it, more of like, you better not miss it. Jim Cramer's Action Alerts Plus member call is live at 11:30 today. You need to listen to this. I mean, it's just phenomenal market insight, and we have the Fed meeting. You'll get those insights. Be sure to register. You'll get those insights ahead of the Fed meeting if you register. Go to TheStreet.com homepage. Get on this call. Jim's be talking markets, stocks, the AAP portfolio. Their team is just doing phenomenal work. You need to be on it. You also need to be on the Morning Jolt newsletter. Be sure to sign up. www.thestreet.com/newsletters. I'm going to sleep. See you later.